All right, so we're about to start sort of a culmination, a summative project that really sort of starts to bring together all the tools that we've used so far, especially things like the pen tool and layering. And this is the cartoon selfie project where you're going to get to make a cartoon version of yourself and turn it from an art project into a printable sticker that you get to take home and stick on whatever you want. Okay. So this project is going to take us a while. We're going to give you almost a week and a half to work through this. So we'll start on a Tuesday and we won't start turning these in until the following Wednesday. So you're going to have almost 6 days really to work on this, plus your weekend if you so choose. This is a big project. It takes a lot of the patience and it takes a lot of effort to slowly work through each of the pieces that you're going to have to complete. So, walking you through the project real quick as we scroll down. Here's our cartoon selfie project. What's our goal? We're going to create a custom vinyl sticker designed to be printed in full color. So, what are our objectives? We're going to sort of show that you can do all of these things. You can use all of these previously introduced tools to create a cartoon version of yourself. Specifically, you're really going to show understanding of layers and layering to create visual effects, so stacking things on top of each other. And then you're really going to show how you can use the appearance options of the various tools, things like fill colors and border weights, stuff like that. Those are sort of the big ones. So your criteria, you're going to create a vector-based image in Gravit, which is all Gravit does, so you're good there. You need to use the line, shape, and bend tools to recreate a reproduction of the template image, and I'll show you where you get that template image in just a minute. And then you're going to submit that to Google Classroom as a PDF. Just like in our last assignment, if you don't submit it correctly, I can't print it for you, and you can't get this. So moving forwards, we've got our rubric right here. Okay, same rubric as before. You can read through that. And then things to just really take note. It's an involved project. You need to take your time. Follow each step. It will make your life simpler in the long run if you follow the instructions. Okay. Number two, to go along with those instructions, there are videos for every step of the project. So there's a video that walks you through what you need to do. Now, yours are going to be a little different because obviously my sticker I based on the avatar I built. Okay. Yours is going to look different. So you're going to take some different steps as you work, but you need to go slow. Use the videos as your guideline. And the last one, make sure you're saving your work every day. If you don't save your work, it's gone and you have to start all over. So that's really not going to help you. So all of your instructions are down here. You're going to start by creating your avatar. We're going to base them off of the Family Guy art style. So there's a project here. And again, there's a video right here that shows you how to do that. And it walks you through how to create your avatar. Creating your Gravit file, again, a video that tells you how to do it along with all the text. You're going to talk about color palettes. This is the same thing we learned in our video on Monday, but it walks you through again how to build that color palette for your image, how to create your image template. This is basically creating a tracing layer so that you're tracing your image, not designing it from scratch. Because again, we're just sort of building up those skills. We start at one point and we move forward. And this is really about showing that you can use all of these tools that we've learned so that we can go into sort of new and unique projects later on. It's going to set up your layers for your drawing, how your layers should probably look. And then you're going to start drawing. And there's a video on this. And then you just keep doing it to finish out your video. This video is the longest one. It's about 35 minutes. It's what it took me to draw the head portion of my character. Okay. And that's probably about what it's going to take you for all of your pieces together. I've allotted a little extra time for you guys to work on your heads because they're the hardest part. And then rinse and repeat. So there's a video that goes through me drawing everything else, and it's sped up. It's only like a 2-minute video because I compressed about an hour's worth of work into that 2 minutes. So it just gives you an idea of sort of the pattern that I work through. And then a reminder about how to export this project in the end. So just remember, this is going to be a big project. It's going to take time. It's going to take effort. If you don't work every day, you're not going to get done in time. Just like with the vinyl cutouts, if you don't submit this on time, I can't print it because I have to print these as a single giant batch. I can't print just one at a time. So make sure that you're focusing down and really working to get this ready to turn in on the correct day, okay? Which is going to be the Wednesday after. So make sure that you're focusing, going really hard, but hopefully you're going to walk away with 2 or 3 of these stickers that you can take and stick on whatever you want. Okay. So that's our next project, and that's the basic instruction set. As always, if you have any questions, if you're virtual, you can send me an email. If you're here in class, you can come up and talk to me. But this is going to be where we're at for the next about week.